let's be honest, who doesn't love free things, especially when it benefits you and your friend? Well, today let's talk about how you can earn up to 2 years of Surfshark for absolutely free. The secret to all this is that Surfshark has a very neat referral program which allows you to earn free months. To begin using the program, open your Surfshark app and head over to the settings. Here at the bottom, press on Earn Free Surfshark and copy your unique referral link. The same link can also be found on the Surfshark website. Jump on surfshark.com and log into the site. On the left side under Home, click on Refer a Friend. And here, just copy your referral link. After that, all you have to do is share the link with your friend. Your friend has then to sign up and stay with Surfshark for at least 30 days. Once the 30 days are up, you and your friend will get 1 month of Surfshark for free. However, the fun doesn't stop there because the more friends you invite, the more free months you'll get. Currently, there are 5 referral tiers in total, those being Iron, Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. As you can see, with each tier you will get more and more free months of Surfshark. And these rewards stack together, so if we do our math, in total you can get up to 2 years added to your subscription. Now, while these rewards are awesome, I think the real gift is that your friends will become more secure with Surfshark. So go get your link, share it, and extend your subscription. And speaking of subscriptions, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more awesome Surfshark content? Also, make sure to check out this video here about how I increased my VPN router speeds by 5 times. I'm not kidding, 5 times. Go check that video out. But that's all from me. Take care.